Hello, display everyone. I am Chimel Amot, patent traditional doctor. So today we are going to discuss about the sinusitis. What is sinusitis according to the Sovarikpa medicine? Before we can answer that questions, we should talk a little bit about the anatomy. Sinuses are the whole spaces in the bones around the nose that connected to the nose through the small narrow channels. Human possesses four pair patterns of sinuses. First one is your cheekbones hold your maxillary sinuses, which is the longest one. Second one is the lower center of your forehead is where your frontal sinuses are located. Third one is between your eyes are your ethmoid sinuses. Fourth one is in the bones behind your nose are your phrenoid sinuses. So they are linked with the soft pink tissue called mucosa. So what is sinusitis? So sinusitis means your sinuses are inflamed. What is the cause of sinusitis? According to the Sovarikpa medicines, we have a saying that Tasing kame dumla marwate thala nishing zana kundigu nyene kundigu da zene che lisin yama karna tele chung, which means that Simbu named Tasing, which is round in shape, red in color and has no feet, resides in the blood and runs throughout the channels, due to which it acts as the causative factor of all the contagious diseases and the leprosy. So this sinusitis is also caused from this sin or Tasing. In terms of Sovarikpa medicines, sinusitis means yama or yamenye, which means that yama disorder. So what is yama? Yama refers to the microorganism. So we can say that sinusitis is the disease which is caused by the microorganism. What are the causative factors and the conditions which arises the sinusitis? According to the Sovarikpa medicines, we have a saying that Nelong Kini Timbe Tautopang, which means that there are only two conditions and the factors which arises the disorder. So those are the improper diet and improper lifestyle. So what are improper diet and improper lifestyle? Taking excessive intake of the sweet things like chocolates, Coca-Cola, and also the dairy products like the cheese, sweet lassi and etc. And also in terms of Sovarikpa medicines, excessive intake of pakche will also cause the sinusitis. What is pakche? Pakche means that wheat flour or the rice flour, and also excessive taking of the cold water and exposure to the cold places such as staying long time near the cool breeze and exposure to the smoke or cigarette smoking will also cause the sinusitis. Acute sinusitis can be last for 3 weeks to 4 weeks, but chronic can be last for more than 12 weeks or continue for months and even years. What are the signs and symptoms of the sinusitis? First one is pain. Pain may be localized, which may present as a headache. If you tape on the sinus involved with your fingers, it can produce the tenderness. Also, since the mucosa is inflamed, it will produce lots of mucus which is going to drain into the nasal cavity through the sinus openings. Once nasal cavity, there is only two things it can do. First thing is that to come out from your nose, so people will notice the nasal discharge. Second thing is that it can go back to your throat, as the back of your nose is related to the back of your throat, and there it causes the irritation and cause you to cough. Inflammation of mucosa can also alter the smell and taste of the things. Patient can also have fever and watery eyes because of the infection and inflammation. Sometimes patient can also feel like something lightening inside your nasal cavity. The treatment methods. According to the Sovarikpa medicines, there are 4 measurements to the treatment methods. So those are the medicines, external therapy, diet and lifestyle. First one is medicine. In the medicine, we used to administer curcum, chimesense, torab, kyunga and etc. In the therapy, we used to apply steam bath, acupressure, acupuncture and breathing exercise like the pranayama. You can apply gentle pressure by your 2 thumbs in these points. Precautions. Do not apply too much pressure on the points, as facial skin is generally thin and fragile. In the diet, drinking warm cumin water, or you can drink a warm ginger water. Intake of the warm food. And then lifestyle regimen against sinusitis are do regular exercise, staying in a peaceful area, and avoid from smoking and polluted area. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you again. Till then, take care and stay safe.